And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Clouds, clouds, and more clouds. We haven't had much of this week. We've had a lot of sunshine, but a little overcast now and a little cool too. Went outside just moments ago and I was like, wow, I wish I had brought my hoodie. It was inside and I was feeling a little chilly. I was on Facebook Live talking to many of you. Temperatures outside in the 50s and low 60s right now. And a very cool day turns into a cool night too, but dry, even though we have clouds. If you have evening plans, I know it's the weekend, it's Friday night, you want to get out and have some fun, go out to dinner. Maybe you're going to see a movie. Maybe you're going to go watch high school football. Maybe you're going to have a fire pit. It stays dry through the evening. There's some showers that come in later tonight after about 4 or 5 a.m. And that rain will continue throughout the day tomorrow. Look at these temperatures for tomorrow. Like I have a high of like 59 in the 7-day graphic. And I'm thinking like that might be too high. Like I need to back that off a little bit. 53, 55, 56, hike, that's cool. Northeast winds 5 to 15 will make it feel so raw outside. Southeastern Mass 50s. Remember earlier in the week when it looked like the weekend was going to be really nice and sunny? That got flushed quick. A lot of rain. This is all part of Ian. And let's talk about it. I said it was a tropical storm. It's actually gone post-tropical. It's lost its warm core. So what happens is you think post-tropical, oh, it doesn't have wind or rain anymore. A post-tropical system still packs a punch with winds gusting up to 85 miles an hour, sustained 70, north wind movement at 15, but it has now gone post-tropical, eventually done to a depression, and then eventually just a big, massive amount of rain. And it's that rainfall that is now part of our forecast, and we had been inching towards this every single day this week. Models forecast coming more and more north with the rain. We go get some breeze too, but not like these gusts that you see here in North Carolina right now, where they're over 40 miles an hour. Most of our gusts as we go into the weekend, especially on Sunday, will be about 30 to 35. So here's the rain right now. A big area of rain. I mean, it goes all the way from southern New Jersey back into areas of South Carolina, closer to the center of circulation. And the low, or what's left of Ian, is going to branch out and go west, while a frontal boundary gets swung up through the area. And it brings like a 1-2 punch of rain. We have some rain for the weekend, and then we have another chance of rain on Tuesday. Let's talk about the weekend rain first. Obviously, it sticks out like a sore thumb, all this heavy rain here, and some of it will pivot north. Now, overnight tonight, again, dry until the morning hours, but I do think we're going to get a burst of rain in here. It's looking more and more like a heavy band of rain will move through late morning and early afternoon, and most of that will be southeast of 95, but even some of the newer models bringing that heavier rain back into northwest Rhode Island. So a soaker for the day on Saturday. It'll continue into the afternoon before finally tapering off and moving east. And then we kind of catch our breath. There's a few more showers on Sunday, but not like a complete washout like Saturday will be, but it'll be a little breezier. And then that rainfall will start to fill in a bit more as we go into Sunday night. I think this might be overdoing it just a bit with most of the rain just to our south. Nonetheless, it's a really gloomy and cool day on Sunday. And after a dry Monday, we pick up another chance of rain on Tuesday. So we've been watching the forecast models, the rainfall, right? We had blue and green over us earlier in the week. Now you start to see a little bit more in the way of purple and red. And that purple and red is more like a 1 to 2 inch, maybe even a little bit more kind of rain. And that, again, is a true soaker. We've done really well with rain so far for the month. It'd only be fitting that once we flip the calendar, we get more rain in October, right? We go into next week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, finally get back into some sunshine. Once we lost the sun today, boy, it's going to be like another 5 days before we see it again. And when you get sun, it does wonders for the temperatures. You go 50s to 60s to maybe even nudging 70 by next Thursday.
It looks a lot different than what we had earlier in the week. Then it was such a nice little stretch we were on, and then nope, rip it right off.
Yeah, I feel like the rug got pulled, you know? I mean, like we knew, and we were trending all week talking about that Ian rainfall and how far north was it going to come in the last 2 days. I mean, it's like game on now. Like it's just like a rainy Saturday now.
A washout, as you called it.
Yeah.
Don't like hearing that on weekends.
Me neither.
Weekend washouts, no thanks. All right, Jeff, thank you.